Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily change sound output in Windows 11 for HDMI, headphones, etc. So if this video will be helpful, you can write down below in the comments that it was helpful for other people. Now, what you need to do is go to bottom on a start, right click on a start, and then go to settings. Now, right here, when you're going to be on settings, you want to be in system and go under display, click sound. When you're going to be in sound, here, you're going to have the speakers. And then what you need to do is, let's say I'm going to click on the speakers here. And I can add device. Pretty simple. Right here, I can choose between devices. So that's what we can do. And when I'm going to click here on a speaker, I can set it as a default for audio. I can enhance the audio. So, yep. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.